Straight on to the big story. Senior Congress leader Ahmed Patel is under scanner again. A picture has now surfaced where Patel can be seen sitting with the main suspect in the IT raids conducted across 5 cities on aides of Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Kamal Nath on Sunday. Ahmed Patel reportedly went to see Moin at his residence in Delhi after the IT department raided Moin's residence on Monday. The suspect, identified as SM Moin, is allegedly the chief accountant at the Congress office in Delhi, who received 20 crore rupees through Hawala channels and transported the same to the party office. Now, sources also tell India Today that the searches conducted by the IT department in Madhya Pradesh detected unaccounted cash worth 81 crores, in fact, of which 14.6 crores has been seized. Now, Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Kamal Nath's aide Praveen Kakkar, who was also raided, said that the raids were politically motivated.
इनके आने का तरीका गलत था। इन्होंने दरवाजे तोड़े रात को 3:30 बजे और अंदर घुसे।
रात में भी सर इन्होंने कार्रवाई जारी रखी जो नियम के मुताबिक सही नहीं।
रात को 6 घंटे का इन्होंने रेस्ट दिया है, ऐसा नहीं।
एनीथिंग एल्स
सर, क्या लगता है आपको कार्रवाई क्यों की गई है, किस तरह की कार्रवाई है, इसके क्या मायने हैं?
ये पूरी तरह से राजनीतिक कार्रवाई है मेरे विचार से।
Aishwarya Paliwal, my colleague, now joins me from the India Today newsroom for further inputs. Aishwarya, very good morning. Now, this is fresh trouble for the Congress party there. Right before the polls, IT raids continuing in Madhya Pradesh and in Delhi as far as, Kamal Nath's aides are concerned. And now Ahmed Patel's picture surfaces with Moin. This is fresh trouble.
Well, this definitely is a lot of trouble for the Congress party. When we talk about the Ahmed Patel case, IT officials have told us that they raided close to 52 locations and 300 IT officers were a part of all these raids. And they are saying that they have proof of 20 crores being siphoned off. And they are saying that this person in question, SM Moin, is the person who received 20 crores and then he siphoned it off to the Congress party. Now, the IT officials are saying that they can produce documents and they are extremely hopeful that they will be able to seize each and every penny. Now, this photograph which has surfaced in which we see Ahmed Patel sitting with Moin is something which has come to the fore. Congress party obviously is saying that this is political vendetta just before the elections.
Aishwarya, the fact that, the raids conducted and it went on for hours on end yesterday, what we saw in Madhya Pradesh and also in Delhi, and the Congress is questioning the timing of the raids, so to speak. And now with Ahmed Patel, joining in the fray and the entire controversy surrounding the Congress party and its top leaders, the BJP, in fact, has a lot of, meat in its pie, but now the Congress is crying vendetta politics.
Definitely, this will give a lot of ammunition to the BJP party just before elections. We do understand that a lot of BJP leaders will talk about this and they will also say that this is another case where Congress is caught doing corruption, because 20 crores according to the IT officials is not a small amount. What we understand is that we could also see certain raids going on today because the IT officials are saying that they have the proper money trail and they do know from where the money came, where it went, and they are also saying that they know that it was SM Moin who received this money through Hawala.
All right, Aishwarya, thank you so much for joining us. So, Madhya Pradesh government is going ahead and crying political witch hunt. Vendetta politics is what the Congress party is going ahead and claiming right ahead of the elections. Let's take a look at this report.
Raids on key aides of Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Kamal Nath continued for a second day. Bundles of cash were allegedly seized from the Chief Minister's OSD, Praveen Kakkar's associate, Ashwin Sharma's residence. While officials claim crores have been seized in raids underway at over 50 locations, no official figure has yet been disclosed. Sources have told India Today that raids were conducted after IT department received inputs that cash was being collected from state government departments and business houses. Sources also claim that over 200 crore rupees have been shifted from Madhya Pradesh to Delhi and over 20 crores shifted from Delhi to Madhya Pradesh earlier this week. Documents pertaining to transactions of companies run by Kamal Nath's brother-in-law Deepak Puri are also under scanner.
वो चाहे चंद्रबाबू नायडू पे हो, चाहे पश्चिम बंगाल में ममता बनर्जी की सरकार पे हो, चाहे कर्नाटक में कांग्रेस की और मिलीजुली सरकार है उसके मुख्यमंत्रियों के सहयोगी पे हो, बदले की भावना से काम करने की में महारत हो गई नरेंद्र मोदी की।
भ्रष्टाचार को संरक्षण देने का काम किया गया है, संविधान की धज्जियां उड़ा दी गई, मर्यादाओं को तार तार कर दिया गया, संवैधानिक ढांचे को ध्वस्त कर दिया गया। सरकार और मुख्यमंत्री सोच ले कि इसके परिणाम क्या होंगे।
The Election Commission has said that it was not informed of the raids in Madhya Pradesh. The opposition is now alleging that raids on the BJP's rivals are being carried out on the party's orders. With Hemender, Dharmender and Ravish Pal Singh, Bureau Report, India Today.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.